Welcome back once again. I'm up at the deer farm. I've just put queens in the two number twos. Put a nice little Virgin Redbull Tiger Queen in number 2 with the blue top, and another the same in the number 2 with the white top. The middle one, that's just full of empty frames in preparation. Bees do like to go in the bottom though. So hopefully these two will get themselves made, get the queens mated. This one's working on a mated queen. I took a split from this one, which is one of my biggest, and they're still strong, look. The other eye's flying. There, got flying. That eye's a bit quiet though. The blue one. Might just crack the lid and have a little look in there. Flying, flying, flying. So they were all doing pretty well. Oh, there is bees coming back to that blue one. I'll just pop the lid and have a little look in there, but we're not going to go through it. Yeah, they're in there and they're alright. Look, as soon as you go in the top, they're straight out the door. So these need to go on a stand, because I'm wondering if some little animals coming out of the old pond there. Look, there's a bit of a trail out through the bush, and it seems to come down and in front of these two hives. You can sort of see where someone's been around sniffing. So they're a bit defensive. The bees get defensive when things are going around the hives. And if you go to your hives and your bees are suddenly on you all the time, it's like it bangs and knocks around the hives. I've found that it's been other creatures roaming around the hives. That's it, we're just done down here. Better strap them back up. We'll strap all the boxes back up. Done. Hopefully the queens get mated and we get some beautiful new queens with colonies. So we've got three nukes with my own bred queens this year, and I'm setting up another queen rearing hive at another location. So yeah, it's doing pretty good.